Hey fellow mystifiers, it's MysticDragonEX here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to see microbes using a laser pointer. So let's get started with this video. So for this video we'll be using a laser pointer like this and a syringe to see bacteria. So I've taken this syringe which has a drop of water suspended. I think I messed it up. So we will first fill the syringe with drops of water, with a lot of water actually, and then suspend a little drop of water like this. I think I let it fall. I need to get that right here. This is the amount of water that we will be keeping, and then yes. So I think okay, I messed it up. Very sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so yeah, we are back. So what I was telling, that we'll be using a syringe like this and spending a little drop of water right over here. Okay, I'm letting a lot of water fall down. That's not cool. Like around like this. I think I should let that fall. Very little drop of water. This is enough, and we will be keeping this. Okay, and first let me keep like this, and then we will be keeping like this, and then we'll be suspending a little drop of water to get it just right aligned. Yes, perfect. So we'll be using this drop of water to act as a magnifying lens for our laser, and that will magnify that laser from passing through this drop onto that wall over there, and we can see bacteria with it. So let's get started by switching the lights off like this. Okay, as you can see it's very dim. Okay, I took this laser and we will be setting it just right about here to see bacteria. So let's get started. I think you just saw a glimpse of it. Let me set this up because it's a very difficult task. You cannot manage it. Yes. So yeah, you can see all the bacteria that are coming. Let me first adjust it. Yes, you can see this. Yes, so you can see here a lot of bacteria in this single drop of water. Actually, I use this drop of water to wash my hands. Actually, this water I use to wash my hands. So yeah, it's very contaminated right now, and you can see all the bacteria present in this drop of water. And I'm trying to focus it because it's very difficult task to record and hold this laser and just focus it up. So I'm trying my very best. So yeah, you can see here there are lots of bacteria in this single drop of water. I just took from the tap. Okay, I just collected it, and yeah, you can see there's so many bacteria. If I just focus it long enough, you can see there are many circular shaped bacteria, there are many rod shaped bacteria, spiral shape. If you can see them correctly, there's a group of clusters of bacteria and something. You can see so many bacteria floating, and there are some rods also, some very interesting shapes bacteria. So yeah, you can use a laser pointer like this and a syringe right over here to see these, which are referred to as bacteria and germs. So yeah, also this, you can use other samples of water like muddy water, and you can use muddy water. You can also use acid if you want, if you're willing to try other kinds of liquids. And yeah, you can see if there are bacteria present or not. I just made this video just to show you guys how you can use a laser and a syringe with water and see bacteria. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like, and maybe even subscribe to my channel for more of this stuff. Actually, I do a lot of science experiments over here. So what I was telling, you can subscribe to my channel if you want, if you like my content, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you want, you can even hit the bell icon to be notified about my latest videos. Actually, I said this in every video, but if you want, you can. If you don't want, you don't. You can even hit the like button, and you can comment down what you want to see in the future, and I would make that video. So yeah, MysticDragonEX out. Peace. Bye bye.